My name is Darren Price of Adam Architecture. I have had the pleasure of redesigning, for a second time, the Size Group warehouse front facade. Taking components of 2025, deconstruct them, and then reconstruct them essentially into an evolution of the space. And so I've been able to introduce terraces on either side. There's opportunity to sit down, occupy, feel it, touch it, inhabit the architecture. You can still read the Georgian influence, whether it's early Georgian coming through to the more Sonian Regency elements. I take that language into the current day. It's slightly more modern, it's progressive. The claw hammer tooling on the steps themselves, and it's a celebration of design. A detail that Chambers used at Somerset House, for example. It's a detail at Rousham Gardens. It's an element of the space actually unfolding as you're experiencing it. And then as you look up, you can start to see some of the more successful elements from 25 being reintroduced as an evolution of that in 2026. We've also had the opportunity to work with Locker & Riley to introduce the fibrous plaster and treat those as a bit of a gallery space at the end. Working with Hector Finch, we're really testing new ideas, so it's always a joy to work with Size. It's a huge honour to come back. Went a little bit further than we did last time, made sure that the ambition of the design goes further than what we did, the execution of the detail. Folly, historically, it's a moment of play. There's a playfulness, a mysteriousness to that. I also spoke with Gideon and Ass, and we wanted to make sure that there was a clear link between outside and inside. Wow, wow.